Kani gadega Party CTV.
National People's Party Meghalaya Unit akat khandai tarik naiweng sasisian kalayo an penskambiang yo Dr. W.R. Kharluki kumu president. Kani kalongkat kum ki election balajit takinongkat kam ka party ya office rekam ka party ka badan halachumia. Ya kani ka kam president la benchet how Dr. W.R. Kharluki ringkat ka jingtumu ban un pentrekam ya kiwipat ki kam ki baka party hidup menta kampat yo banjet ling bakat election jongkinong tre party. Dr. W.R. Kharluki la penpau pakajing etrelang kan long kabudon kam na kabentaban kintiyo ya ka party.
I could really thank them for the 2016 election of our honorable MP. It was because of them, I said, that we won with such a thumping majority. And I told them that we as a party, we are nothing. You are the strength, you are the foundation of the party. If the foundation and the strength is removed, we are finished. But they are solid with us, and with this hope in mind and seeing the people with us, I don't doubt that there will be a big change in 2018.
Member ka Lok Sabha Natura parliamentary seat Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula aya ka jingkershana lor ka jingle ka sarkar pedang ka balai lam dak NDA po ka jingelam jong Narendra Modi kum menteri nang bakdo kari kataban pendu no yakilot sanspa bat syajat ulong bakani ka jingle ka sarkar pedang kan yada lor ki pisa thok ki pisa na ka benta ki kunun king atiar pat ki pisa ki belong be an ya ka emlang salang ulong pat ba ka wei kaliang kani ka jingle ka sarkar ka kata ekipat ba ka emlang salang pat kami kajing de ki dai pat banyasha.
India being such a massive nation and with such different levels of economic condition, I think it was very difficult for the government also to come out with any policy that would be satisfying everybody, and at the same time was so critical for them to maintain the secrecy. So I think these factors came into play. My only request to the people would be that in the larger interest of the nation and in looking at the overall the fight against this kind of black money and steroid money, I think if we can somehow bear this periodic phase and go through it and support, I think it will come out, it will be better for the country as a whole. So yes, it's difficult, but there was no other way. I think that's what I would say.
Kani gadega Party CTV.